So in Unit 1, Chapter 2, which goes over Google Slides, there is a projects and assessment piece at the very end of this chapter, where you are going to create 2 projects. There are some discussions that you need to participate in, and then you're going to take the final assessment on Google Slides. So there are some walkthrough videos showing you how to do the famous innovator presentation and the if-then adventure stories. And you have these 2 projects, so these are summative. So you're going to create a famous innovator presentation, and you're also going to create an if-then adventure story, and then you're going to share those in the discussion here. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And here will be that walkthrough video on how to work through the famous innovator presentation. So make sure you watch that video. And then here you have your assignment. So again, there is a rubric, and there are several parts to this famous innovator presentation. That will be covered in the famous innovator presentation walkthrough video. For right now, I'm going to keep clicking through here just to kind of go over the presentation, what you're going to be doing. Then after you finish your project, then you're going to share it with other students in your class. So this is where you're going to post that. And then when we go next, here's our next project. You're always going to have a walkthrough video that will take you through. So that video is not here right now, but it will be. So you will watch the If Then Adventure Stories walkthrough video that will take you through on how to complete this project. After watching that, then you have the actual assignment. This is the Google Applied Digital Skills, so it's part of their content that they've created for this project. You would again just follow the guidelines here, where you're going to open this up and go through that assignment. That will be covered in detail in the walkthrough video for the If Then Adventure Stories on the previous page. I'm just taking you through the projects quickly as an overview, and then make sure that you watch those detailed videos on each project. On the next page, after you created your If Then Adventure Story, you're going to post a link to it. You're going to make sure that anyone can view that, and you're going to share it. So then here is your final assessment or test on Google Slides. So make sure that you take this quiz. And that ends the video on the walkthrough on how to go through the projects and assessment section of Unit 1, Chapter 2.